presentation made in cooperation with the Chicago Area Painting and Decorating and Drywall Finishing Joint Apprenticeship and Training Committee.
This is the Vinotron machine, one of the only machines electronically and feature pieces. This is the hopper, holds up to 9 gallons of paste. There's 2 adjustments on the hopper, so you can control it, turn it clockwise if it leaks while it's running, counter if it leaks while it's sitting. Usually once they're adjusted, you're all set. This opens and closes the flange on the bottom. That's open. Closed. This is the carpeted roller. This is what the paste feeds onto. And this is what applies to the back of the material. These are those plastic pieces that the hopper has to set down over the bevel edge. Both sides, same thing. Roller bar. This has to be in place for it to count the material. Without this, it will just keep running. Put the material into the machine. You want to make sure it balances out on the pressure roller. This is the pressure roller right here. Controls the amount of paste going out of sheets. Maybe you can't see it. This little eyeball here is what stops it when it runs out of material, or if you got a splice electronically. If it's covered, it's going to work. If it's uncovered, it's not going to work. You want to make sure when you load this material in here that you center it up on the pressure roller. There's an inch space on one side, you want an inch of space on the other. And I don't know if you noticed, but the materials, one of the few machines, the materials go in face down. Most of the other ones is face up. This is face down. Once you've centered it up on here, like magic, Remember, this is the counter bar. Without it, it won't count. Carpeted roller. Sets in little slots on a pressure roller, drops forward. And at this point, it's when I take and just make the two rollers touch, just to give it friction. I'm not going to put the hopper back on right now because we're not going to run paste in it just yet. I just want you to see how to set it up. What it's doing is reprogramming itself to go back to 0. Say this 5 in here shows us that 5 sheets were pulled at 96 inches long. It's got a brain in it like a black box. It could go up to like 2 million sheets. So you're not going to, run it out of time. It'll go up to 2 million sheets. You want to reset the number. That's the reset for the number. You can reset the length. If I ever want to get total yards, that'll tell me total yards that were pulled through the machine to date. The center button here. You want to program it for length. This is up. You go all the way up to 999. If you hold it, it goes faster and faster. If you just tap it, it'll go one at a time. Or you can reverse it. You can push it down. This is a nice feature. It won't change your setting. Like when you're first setting it up, they recommend you run 6 inches and then look at the paste. If you need to adjust it. That way you're not blowing a whole sheet. Just pull 6 at a time. This button here, when you hold it, it will let the material come out. So you can use that to set it up too, to get your paste ready, the jog button. And obviously this is going to start or stop it. This last button here, right now it's programmed at 66. I'll kick it up to 96, which is an 8-foot sheet. Very little pressure. It's got a time delay, so once I hit the start button, it gives me a few seconds to grab the other side and pull it out. Watch the time delay. So that gives me a chance to get my hand in position, pull it out of the machine. There's a 96-inch piece in about 10 seconds. And you'll notice it's reading on here with one sheet of 96 inches. Any questions? All right. That should be it.